at the deer. Well, that was cool timing. Pretty wet. It's about average height. Sweet. Check the lasers. They're there. Alright, so how do I measure this? Feet. What is that? Like 1 foot? About 18 paces? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Alright, cool. I'm going to try the D4 test. Take out my hollows. I'm going concealment on my hip, like 4 o'clock, t-shirt over top, completely concealed. I don't know my test all that well. Let's see here. Bugs. Shooting test. I think the first one is in the A zone at 2 seconds. Pistol test 1. Okay. Fortunately, I'm not doing the 25-yard run. Number 2, from 6-yard line, draw from concealment 1 round into the reduced A zone in the body in 2 seconds. Got it. Same distance. Draw from concealed 6 rounds A zone, 4.5 seconds. Next one, from 6 yard, draw from concealment and 2 rounds into the credit card. 3.5 seconds. Okay, so I got 3 sets of shooting here. Alright, let's see what happens. Down here in the little shooting area. One thing I was telling my friend Tommy the other day is that I have not been practicing dry manipulation from the holster. And I think the last time I did dry firing was last Tuesday during squats. Ugh, on it. And then, let's see here. I haven't shot in like a month. So this is a true baseline for me. 100% baseline test. So, got my timer here. The first shot into the reduced A zone in 2 seconds. Oh, shit, maybe I should staple that down. Yeah, stay there, bitch. Alright. Got my timer here. Oh, fuck yeah. What was that time? Fucking bugs. My time was 2:44. What did it say? Oh, shit. Pistol test 1. 6 yards, A zone, 2 seconds. 2:44? That's fine. This is a baseline. Okay, this next one. 6 yard draw and concealment, 6 rounds, build drill, A zone, 4.5 seconds. 6 rounds, 4.5 seconds. And this is from True Concealment too, bitches. My t-shirt is over my holster. Alright. Button's been pushed. Little off on that one. I'll walk closer just to show. But I'm happy with that. I still would have qualified. I'm pretty sure. Well, maybe not. Those have been hostages. But fuck it. It's a 9.5 seconds. I'm supposed to do that in 4.5? That's about impossible. Okay. Got some work to do on that one. And the last one, 6 yard concealment, 2 rounds, 3.5 seconds in the A on the head. 2 rounds in the A on the head. Don't worry about the time. Just do it as fast as you can. Again, I'm from True Concealment. T-shirt's over it. Timer button's been pushed. Waiting for the random beep. Haha. Not bad, boys. 3.79. I forgot what my target was. See my lasers. Cool. I'm happy with all this. I'm a fucking stud. That's dry as fuck. Give me some practice. I'm gonna be fucking killing this shit. I'm happy with myself. In fact, I think I'm a little farther than my distance anyway. So what was my time on that? Oops. Had to do that in 3.5 seconds. Oh shit, boys. Did that in 3.79. I'm gonna try that again. That's a hard one. I think I got a couple rounds left. Alright, just to show. I am going right here. I'm flipping that shit up. It's True Concealment. Test my laser. Cool. I don't know what that was. Random beep. Both in the A zone, bitch. Both in the A head. Oh, I just missed it. It's 4 seconds. Let's see. I saw 4. Yeah, right there. I had to do that in 3.5. Yeah, 3.5. I'm happy. I am happy as a clam. Ha! Oh. Huh? No mag. Didn't lock back.